9543 Withering Pine. There's no HOA in this community, as far as I'm aware. So we want to repaint this front door and the frame. Get some new hardware on the front door. Make sure everything matches throughout the property. So we probably need a blind here. Repaint 100%. This tile at the front really dates the property, but we have this tile throughout, so wouldn't want to pick up this tile for no reason if we didn't have to. It's kind of a small kitchen, but there's a very large pantry. And the laundry's in the kitchen. Okay, very dark in here. So these are the correct blinds, that's the good news. I also couldn't get this slider open, but it's great that we have the stamped concrete patio in the back, the patio overhang, and we do have rockscaping in the back. We just need a very thorough landscaping cleanup. So that's a nice plus, the blinds and the backyard. Right at the top of the stairs, we have double doors to the master. These blinds need to be replaced though. You can tell the sun's been hitting them pretty heavily. They've been warped. And remove those other blinds on top. This is vinyl. Needs to be replaced with tile. Cabinets and the counters look okay. Look fine. Okay. Carpet actually seems fine as well. Replace those. Those are Nevada Energy thermostats, which we do not want. So carpet's fine, remove cables, blind is fine, and we have a ceiling fan with a light kit, so that's good. Then we have a Jack and Jill bathroom. This is vinyl flooring as well. These counters and cabinets look fine to me, as does the light fixture, so that's good. Little closet. Replace that drain ring, $65. Pretty straightforward. The carpet looks fine. Blinds look fine because they left the screens on, so not too much heat hit the blind. And that's that.